What does Anglicare do? We're actually Victoria's largest out-of-home care provider, alternative care provider. For any children, baby, teenager that the state has had to remove from their parents for neglect or abuse or for safety reasons, they will place those children with us. Every little pack has got a story, every little pack helps. And the other packs that you're filling are our education packs. We want education to be their best friends. Unfortunately, in out-of-home care, only about 30% of children get past year 10. Our job is to get them to fall in love with education. It's fantastic, you know, to have Blue Connections, Dell Technologies, Zone, all really tipping in, and then the clients and customers of your great organisations coming in to lend a hand. It really goes to our heart. Thank you very much. And I just want to say how humbled we are